Hello and welcome back to our English learning series. I am happy to see you again. On this channel, we help you practice listening and speaking English. Each video tells a short, simple story. We will speak slowly so you can understand and repeat after me. Today, we have a new story for you. Are you ready to practice? Let's begin. This is Daniel. Daniel lives in a quiet place called Green Valley. He likes his life because it feels balanced. Every morning, Daniel wakes up early and opens the door. He breathes fresh air and looks around his garden. The garden is small, but it feels alive. Daniel believes in simple habits. He drinks warm water and stretches his body. This habit helps him stay active. After that, Daniel goes to work. He works as a graphic designer. He enjoys his job because it allows him to be creative. Daniel focuses on one task at a time. He designs posters and social media images. His work needs patience and attention. In the afternoon, Daniel takes a short break. He walks outside and drinks coffee. This moment gives him energy. After work, Daniel spends time with his family. They talk about their day and share stories. This time feels warm. In the evening, Daniel reads a book or listens to music. He avoids loud noise and stress. He likes a calm environment. At night, Daniel reflects on his day. He thinks about what goes well and what needs change. Then he goes to bed early and rests his mind. Daniel's life is not perfect, but it feels purposeful. He enjoys each day, one step at a time. Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words. Patient. Able to wait calmly without getting angry or upset. Creative. Using imagination to make new things. Energy. Strength to work or move. Purposeful. Having meaning or a clear reason. Reflect. Think carefully about something. New phrases. Look around the garden. See and notice the plants and things in the garden. Spend time with, be with someone and share moments. One step at a time. Do things slowly and carefully, step by step. Take a break. Stop working for a short time. Rests his mind. To relax and stop thinking about stress or worries. Great job listening. You learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.